knew instantly that I would choose to start my PhD here. I saw immediately that everybody, the students and the professors, were so passionate about their research.
When I came to visit Brandeis, I found that there was a lot of collaborative nature between the labs. Everyone seemed to know each other, everyone was very friendly with each other.
There are a lot of reasons why I chose Brandeis, but I think the most important one is that they have this really great umbrella program. So if you're an MCB student, you can rotate in either MCB, neuro, or biochemistry labs, any of them within the departments.
I chose to enroll in the MCB program at Brandeis because it possesses the kind of rigorous research program and highly collaborative environment necessary for a great doctoral training.
One of the things that I really like about Brandeis is the collaborative nature amongst all the labs here. So what that means is that often students will end up on projects that are in collaboration with 2 or sometimes 3 labs.
A lot of the work here has managed to really spark entirely new fields of inquiry, and I really see that as a rising out of these intimate interdisciplinary interactions.
It's just been a very supportive, very helpful environment where I've been able to work with my peers and my PI to be well on my way to being an expert in a topic that was completely alien to me when I started.
My PI is really great about supporting the interdisciplinary opportunities to work on your research. So I'm able to take a lot of different approaches to answer the questions that I'm interested in.
One thing that I really love about Brandeis is from the very beginning, its historical mission has been to show the world that strength comes from diversity.
My thesis project is a collaboration between our lab and the lab of Don Katz. His lab specializes in the study of taste behavior and taste learning, and we are using techniques that we have established in our lab to understand how the specificity of taste memories is encoded at the cellular level.
I work on thermal sensation in the nematode C. elegans. The temperature that they move towards is actually dependent on their temperature experience. So if you grow them up in colder environments, they actually want to move towards colder environments. If they grow them up at warmer environments, they really want to go to warmer environments. And we just have no idea how that works, which is, it's really interesting to me. That's why I got into science, is to figure out things that no one else knows, just because I could be the one to figure that out.
I know it's probably hard for you to make this decision without actually being here on campus with us, but I guess if there's one thing I could convey that I got out of in-person interviews that you might not get to see, is that graduate students really are a family. This place is a home. The PIs they're real people, but everyone's also really excellent scientists, and they're really interested in making sure that you're able to have the successful scientific career that you want.